Hello, fabulous first graders. My name is Mrs. Hickey, and I am going to be teaching you Writer's Workshop these first few weeks of school. I'm really looking forward to it. So, our lives are full of stories to tell. You go home after being in the park for the day and you have a story to tell your parents or your friends. Um, you go and get ice cream, you have a story to tell. Our lives are full of stories to tell, and they're all small moments. Now, I know that all of you can write like an author. I have this amazing book about a small moment, and it's called Night of the Veggie Monster, and it's by George McClements. So let's listen to this small moment, my friends. Night of the Veggie Monster. Something terrible happens every Tuesday night. It's not the pork chops or the mashed potatoes. It all starts when I'm forced to eat. Time for another fun-filled hour. Peas! A whole 3 tonight. My parents act as if I'm making it all up, but I'm not. I wonder how soon before he starts. Oh, it should be any minute now. They have no idea what one tiny pea does to me. With just the slightest touch, it begins. And we're off. My fingers become all wiggly. I knew he would start with the fingers. As the pea rests in my mouth, my eyes begin to water. My toes twist and curl up in my shoes. That's a new one. I squirm in my seat. I try to keep control, but the pea is too strong. I start to transform into a veggie monster. Ready to smash the chairs, ready to tip the table, ready to grate pork chops tonight. Gulp. I swallowed the pea. I actually swallowed the pea. It tasted all right, really. Quite a performance this evening. I particularly enjoy the toe curling. Well, I guess the peas are okay, but there is still a danger. Because tomorrow is Wednesday, and on Wednesday we have broccoli. Here we go again. So, my friends, that was a small moment story of this little boy having vegetables at dinner. He was eating peas, and you saw how he behaved while he was eating his peas. Okay? Now, all of you can think of a small moment. Here are some different ideas of some small moments. Maybe you want to write a story about your family. Maybe you want to write a small moment about the beach. Maybe you want to do one on a sleepover or a birthday party, a camping trip, something that happened with you and your pet, an experience, a holiday, or when you lost a tooth, Christmas time, a small moment at Christmas, or an injury, maybe a time when you hurt yourself. So, my friends, all of you are going to be having some writing paper. And on that writing paper, there will be 3 pages. And it will be blank like this. And you're going to think about what you want to write, and then you're going to plan it and write it. So, for example, I have a few different things that I could write about. Maybe I could write about when I was running this morning and I stepped in a pothole and I twisted my ankle. Something else that happened is when I was going to make an English muffin, the English muffin burnt and I scraped that off. So I could think and I could touch the pages and I could write. So let's see here. Let's see what I did. I'm going to show you. Here I am. This morning at 6:30, I decided to have an English muffin for breakfast. I grabbed one out of the cupboard. So that's my first page. And I have a picture of what I'm wearing this morning with my English muffin. I sliced it in half and put it into the toaster. I started packing my school bag and forgot about it. I smelled something burning and realized it was my English muffin. I popped up the toaster and scraped off the burnt part and ate it. And that is the end of my story. So today, my friends, what I want you to do is I want you to think of a small moment that has happened to you. And I want you to plan it with this paper. You're thinking about it and you're planning it. And then you'll write it. I hope you have a lot of fun.